Hey everybody, this is Eve of BitcoinKindergarten.com, also the author of Crypto Assets and DeFi Tracker. You can track all of your crypto, make sure you don't lose any of it, forget where it is. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, the bell button and all. That way you can get notifications when I come on live and you can come ask your questions anytime. You can call in or you can type in the chat. So I just wanted to say real quick why I think that Bitcoin is getting ready to explode. I already was expecting the price to go up a lot today, which it has. I was expecting to go up a lot yesterday, but I forgot it was a holiday. So the stock markets are closed, the offices are closed. It still was going up decently. So what's going on right now, I think it's getting ready to go through the roof. I've been buying, even though it seems like so much to buy a Bitcoin, you know, at $47,000. I'm not buying a Bitcoin, I buy $10, whatever extra money I have around. Mostly I don't have that much. But whatever I do have, I'm putting there. So here's the thing. Elon Musk a week ago changed his Twitter to Bitcoin. He bought $1.5 billion in Bitcoin. Then after that, this bank, the biggest, oldest bank in America, announced they were going to get into crypto and decentralized finance, Bitcoin, as part of their banking. Then Morgan Stanley also said they were going to look into investing a very large, several billions of dollars into Bitcoin. So what's happened is that Bitcoin for 13 years so far has been like something people don't want to talk about. They don't want to admit, they might secretly be stashing it, but, publicly they're like, oh no, Bitcoin, that's a scam. That's for, narco traffickers, etc. But now those days have completely finished. And when Elon Musk publicly bought $1.5 billion and also stated that he's going to start having his products available to be able to buy in Bitcoin and crypto, that totally changed the world. So now, even though many corporations have been buying in over the past year, like Michael Saylor of MicroStrategy, he bought in, then his bank dropped him, or then he ended up making more money than anyone that year. So these things have been happening, in crypto. It's like, all of the people who are getting in are making huge amounts of money. CashApp, they started making crypto available. You can buy Bitcoin on CashApp. Then now that's huge part of their revenue. That's why PayPal copied them. Now you can buy crypto on PayPal. Visa card has signed to be able to use the blockchain transactions, and now MasterCard. So mass adoption has hit. So today, everybody's back in the office. All these corporations, all of these guys and girls who have been saying, like they don't understand crypto, they don't think it's good, it's too risky, this, that, and the other. Now they realize, what, they better get it now, because pretty much the feeling now is that if you don't have a Bitcoin, you don't have crypto, you're going to be left out. So I do think it's good for everyone to buy some. I tell all my friends is, even if you can buy $10, $100, $1,000, whatever you can get. And then you can buy a little bit. It's called dollar cost averaging. Just buy a little bit every week or every month. You can automatically have it taken out of your account for most of us. And, you don't want to wait till wait for a certain point in the market. With dollar cost averaging, you just buy, at certain times. So I just buy, whoa, hold on. So I just buy whenever. And if that's Kenny and you're calling about Bitcoin, put a little message in the chat and then you can call me back. So that way you don't have to overthink it. The price over time has significantly gone up. It's the best performing asset of the decade by far, way better than Apple stock, way better than Tesla stock. So, the corporate world has finally realized, okay, we need to, the biggest, oldest bank, Mellon Bank in America, Elon Musk, everybody's buying in. So I think there's going to be an insane buying frenzy, a corporate buying frenzy where people are putting millions and billions of dollars into Bitcoin, because as everybody knows, like the dollar is just going to be so deflated because of all this money printing that's been going on. And also the dollar in itself is not backed by anything. It's not backed by gold. It's really, way less good than blockchain money, you know. So people are coming around to understand it. My last video, I explained how the blockchain works. I can explain anything to you. Just put your questions in the comments, and you can hire me also to walk you through things. I have been in the Blockchain Academy. I've studied. I've been in crypto 3.5 years. I've used many exchanges, and I explain everything in very simple language because that's how we roll. So have a great day. Get some Bitcoin. I mean, I honestly think, I honestly think that if it doesn't skyrocket this week, I mean, I don't know why, frankly. I think it's kind of, feels like a no-brainer to me, but we'll see. So good time to get your Bitcoin. And there is a thing called whales. You know, people can dump, you know, when the price goes high. It's the same thing as in the stock market. So, you know, it's never 100% sure. This is not financial advice. Like, say if the price goes up, there are people who can sell a lot, you know, and make their profits. But I just don't think that's going to happen in a significant way. If it does go way up and then it, you know, crashes a little bit, like that's just the volatility, and that's, you know, the wild west of crypto. And, you know, when it crashes a little bit, you just have to go do something else, go earn some more money so you can buy the dip. You know, now the dip is like $46,000. You know, a year ago, the dip was $5,000. So it's going up insanely. All right, take care. Ciao.